Have you ever been the victim of identity
Yes,
theft?
I have.
Oh my goodness.
I think students are sent out into the world completely uneducated about credit cards.
With a series of numbers, someone could actually take your identity. It's less about your sort of flesh and blood.
It seems every message you get all day long is spend, spend, spend.
How do you go about getting a credit report online?
What if, when you examine your credit report, you find there are mistakes, errors?
How do you monitor your own credit file to make sure that there is no fraudulent activity going on in your credit?
These reports are not easy to read, and each reporting agency uses a different format, a different layout.
I felt completely humiliated and victimized.
Identity theft is the fastest growing crime in the world.
Now there's a way you can take back control over your personal financial information.
What a credit freeze does is prevent anyone without your pre-authorization from gaining access to any part of your credit file.
The process to freeze your file is so torturous that you simply give up.
We have a lot of companies out there that are acting as credit repair companies. And you want to be careful because anything they can do for you in general, you can do for yourself free.
There's a new term you should be aware of, and it's called universal default. Once
an item is deleted from your credit file, people will tell you that it is gone forever. That's not the case.
It took about 6-7 months for me to clear my name with all the credit companies.
Congress passed some amendments that gave you some rights and some means to help protect yourself from identity theft or to recover more quickly.
It was like having a full-time job for a while.
If you are an active duty member being assigned out of the country, say you're part of the Navy and they're placing you on an aircraft carrier for 6 months floating around out in the ocean. Perfect time for an identity thief to take advantage of the fact that you're not in the country.
only you can minimize the chances of being a victim. You'll learn in this DVD how to correct the frequent mistakes made in your credit file, and most importantly, you'll learn how your credit score is calculated and what actions you can take to lower your credit risk and thus raise your credit score over time.